Hey guys, welcome back to the Modern Nomads. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell.
And if you guys want to see our full album reaction to Stray Kids, No Easy, check out our Patreon. We really enjoyed some of the songs like
The View,
Domino. What are you saying?
Yeah.
What was it?
Surfing.
Sorry, I love you. Or mixtape.
Mixtape was pretty good.
So
Yeah.
guys, if you want to see our full reactions to the album, make sure to check out our Patreon in the description below.
Yeah, and now we're back with Stray Kids Thunderous. It's the music video. It's the music video.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's see. We already heard this with the lyrics and stuff. So we're just checking out the video, and I feel like it's gonna be
I've seen
sick.
5 seconds of it.
Yeah?
I was adding to the playlist.
Cheater!
So yeah, it looks sick.
Let's go.
Let's go and check. Okay. Okay.
Okay. This is one of the best music videos I've seen this year.
But you only heard 5 seconds.
No, like this. I like dark background. It's quite nostalgic. It reminds me of some anime.
Energy in the song.
I think this was at the end of the teaser as well, wasn't it?
Maybe, yeah. Ooh.
What we have to give to Stray Kids is like the music videos are always
Yeah. I already, like a couple of seconds in, I could tell this is like gonna be special. The visuals inside of this world.
in transition.
Whoever did this video, they just added to the song. Close up there, next level. Transitioning straight out of this, and then the animation, next level.
Is that it?
Yep.
Oh Lord.
That was like,
Oh.
if I've never watched Stray Kids or anything like that, I'd be like, is this some sort of anime intro or something? It'd be, it was just so good. Like, it was entertaining. The song was great. I liked other songs more than this, but the visuals added to this,
Yeah, man.
elevated it. The
100%,
energy level, the
yeah.
dancing, everything was on point.
Their next point, like every time, I love the way they just like you play the video and straight away they're singing and you see the visuals and it's
How
literally
they're
on
singing,
your face.
They put in energy straight
Yeah,
off
yeah,
the
yeah,
bat.
yeah. It's
They
literally
hit you.
on your face and you're like, holy shit, like what am I in for?
The song Thunderous really suits this, the name.
Yeah.
Definitely.
No, amazing vocals, visuals, everything, style, you name it.
I hope they
Sick.
do. I hope they do more videos for their
Yeah.
songs of the album.
That
especially
album,
the
yeah.
View.
It's the view. I feel like they will do a few.
Surfing would also be good as a visual, like.
Yeah.
It'd be pretty sick.
Yeah, no, I love it. I love it. And yeah, definitely looking forward to more videos. So yeah, what are you saying, AJ?
Yeah, I like this. I like the music video. Who's I forgot. Han, was it?
Han, yeah.
Han,
Felix was there as well.
Felix.
Yeah. And then the other guy that starts, yeah, that starts with S. Yeah.
No, we definitely need to do the introduction video.
Yeah.
Bang Chang.
Yeah, Bang Chan.
Yeah.
Lee Chan, was it?
Lino.
Lino, yeah.
Yeah. And in?
In.
We don't know. In.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I like in. In sounds better.
I like in.
In also.
Yeah. But yeah, definitely, if you guys did not see our reaction to the full album, definitely go check our, what's it called, Patreon down below. The link is down below, so definitely go check that out. We really, really loved the album, like we said earlier on, and this song, and the visuals, everything, we loved it. So if you like Stray Kids, if you like our reaction to this song, like, subscribe, comment, let us know your thoughts of the album.
Click on that notification.
Yeah, please do. And yeah, that's it for today. Till next time, stay safe. Peace.